What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is kind of green today, but we shouldn't be so confident that Bitcoin has kind of bottomed out, because honestly speaking, this is not giving bottomed out vibe, though it is. From the 4 hours time frame, we could ask ourselves if it has kind of bottomed out from this level right here at 81,200. But with the look of things right here, you could see that from the weekly that I had to introduce the 50 EMA, which is this red line right here, this red ribbon kind of line, and the 200 EMA, they are here, and you could see that the 50 EMA has been broken. The 50 EMA has been broken, and because it has been broken, our next line of support is definitely going to be the 200 EMA, which is at $64,809. Is there any possibility for that Bitcoin will drop to this low? I really can't tell, because this year happens to be a very funny year whereby altcoins didn't really pump all that high, but we can't say that there wasn't some euphoric or euphoria phase this year, because the Trump being pro crypto, USA being pro crypto, BlackRock buying a whole lot of Ethereum, guys. Those were euphoric moments, guys. We also have Bitcoin breaking 100K, guys, to 120K, guys. Those are euphoric moments. We also had what is it called? Billions of dollars flowing into Ethereum. Trump creating his own coin, his own meme coin, while Liberty Finance also, and all whatnot. Guys, those were all those were all euphoric moments. I don't know why this was not even on my do not disturb. So guys, those were all euphoric moments, and as you can see right here, if we're going to be dumping all the way down to 64,300, fine, no problem with that. Back to where we currently are right now. So back to the daily right here. From the weekly, first of all we need from this weekly right here is that we definitely need to reclaim this area right here. We definitely need to reclaim this support right here at 86,141. If we're able to reclaim this area, then I would say that we are ready to send. Yes, guys, we are ready to send to the top. So yeah, with the look of things right here, we definitely need to try as much as we can to reclaim this 86. Sorry, we need to claim this $86,000. Once we reclaim it, we find support around here. We're most likely going to be rallying higher. So that is all we need from the weekly. And on the daily, it seems like that is not going to be possible, but we definitely don't know what to expect. I would say that it's better we remain stable today, whereby tomorrow we break above this resistance, because if we break above this resistance today with volume on during weekend, that is going to be very, very suspicious, because tomorrow we are most likely going to be crashing, which is still kind of fair, because if I should take all of this away from here, I should take all of this away from here, we could see that if we actually break out of here today, if we break out of this resistance today and we rally all the way to probably 89 $1,000 within $89,000. If we end up using Monday to find support around $86,120, I think everything is still going to be look good, because we are most likely going to be breaking above this resistance right here at 89,404. If possible, we'll retest this major resistance right here. So everything will still be looking good. So worst case scenario right now is the fact that you could say that we broke below support right here and we are retesting resistance. If we can't break above this resistance, then we're most likely going to be dumping all the way down to $81,182 and even lower to the major support right here at $78,495 or $93, guys. So that is basically it for now. As you can see right here, we have gold. Gold is doing very well. It's stable. I won't say that it's bad, but gold is very much stable. If I should take all of this away from here, we'll say that gold is stable. You could see ever since it dropped to this level right here, it's broke above this resistance, found support around here. Very good. So I'm most likely going to see gold. If this week is going to be bullish for gold, then we're most likely going to see gold break above this resistance, find support and rally much higher. Worst case scenario is us seeing gold dropping below this support right here, $4,055, and dumping all the way down to $3,997, which is not going to be looking nice. In terms of the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is still very much stable. Yes, still very stable. As you can see, you could see that from the weekly right here. The S&P 500 still doing well. It hasn't even tested the 50 week moving average already. It hasn't tested it, and you can see that whenever we kind of test it, the 50 weekly moving average is not really that supportful like that, though it's actually a level where whenever we bounce, we whenever we retest it, we're always bouncing higher, and whenever we break below it, the 200 EMA is always holding support. You can see whenever we test it, we are bouncing. Whenever we test it, we bounce. So right now you can see that we are either going to drop all the way down to the 50 EMA, find support around this place before bouncing, or we could drop all the way here to bounce if there's any possibility, or we could drop all the way down to 200 EMA. Nah, I'm just joking. I don't think we'll be doing this. I don't think we'll be doing this, but well, what we should have in mind is that we are below support right here, which is 6,775. So yeah, that is just it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.